Money plant is one of the feng shui plants, and today I will show you how to make free plants out of this wonderful plant. You can see how beautiful my Indo plant is. This is in a big ample pot and I have kept it with a moss stick, with the help of a moss stick. So this is another beautiful variegated leaf. I have put neon pothos and golden pothos together so that it gives a beautiful attractive look. So today you will see how to make free plants out of this beautiful golden pothos or the pothos plant, and how you exactly do it I will be showing. Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today I will show you how to grow money plant and how to make free plants out of this beautiful leafy plant, money plant. This is one of the air purification plants, and people believe that this is one of the best lucky plants also. So one of the feng shui plants, look at my mother plant. This is the mother plant which I have kept at my entrance, and they have long, leggy, thick, bushy and also very healthy plant. So today I will show you how to make free plants out of this and what are the care tips. Stay tuned to my channel. If you are new, consider to subscribe. This is one of the beautiful plants. Once you bring from a nursery, you can multiply it very easily, or else get it from one of your friends and put it in water to propagate, and also in no time they will start to root. This plant is about 1 year old now, and you can see I have made many plants out of it, and I have put them in small pots. So here I have one in coffee mug, and I have kept it with the large pot, and there are so many as well. Around the mother plant I have kept them in small pots. Here's another one, and here's another one. So they are very easy to grow from cuttings and make free plants. Here also I have another plant in a clay pot in my garden. There's another plant, and I have kept it among my other plants. So when you want to make free plants of money plants, you will have to select a mature stem where there are nodes appearing in the stem. So select a stem where you see the node and cut it from there. Now I am going to cut it from this point and making free plants. So here I have a very healthy stem. I can put it either in water or I can put it in soil. So now here my small pot also ready, and the potting mix should be garden soil, sand and compost, and these plants prefers a lot of moisture in the soil, and you will have to provide well draining soil too. So now I'm going to put this stem into this. You will have to remove the bottom leaf as well, and you can simply put it in the pot. So directly putting it soil and making free plants out of this money plant. So keep it in a shade for a couple of days. After that you can keep it in semi-shade. Select a clean glass of water, and when you want to propagate it in water, you can put it in this type of see-through glass water and keep it for a couple of days. So select another stem. I'm going to select another stem. Now here the stem that I have selected, and I can put it in water and for the water propagation. So what you got to do is keep it near a window, or else you can keep it in your living room also as a decoration. So water propagation videos also I have done a couple of in my channel. You can watch them with your time too, and this particular way also you can propagate these money plants very easily. Money plant is one of the plants that you can start your gardening with. So this wonderful beautiful plant, and also very low maintenance plant, you can make many free plants within a short period. So I hope you find this video very useful. If you are new, consider subscribing to my channel. Give it a big like if you have enjoyed watching. Thank you. I'll be back with a new video. See you soon.